Making connections, a key to language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important concept in both language learning and everyday communication: making connections. Understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of understanding and interaction in English. So, let's explore what it means to make connections, why it's crucial, and how you can apply it in your journey of mastering the English language. The phrase, making connections, refers to the process of linking ideas, concepts, or people in a meaningful way. It's about finding relationships or commonalities between seemingly separate or different things. In language learning, this can mean connecting new words or phrases to ones you already know, linking concepts to your experiences, or even relating new grammatical structures to those in your native language. Cognitive connections. These are connections made within your own mind to help you understand and remember new information. For example, linking the English word sun to the word in your native language, or associating the word run with physical activity, can help you remember it better. Social connections. These involve connecting with other people through language. This can be through conversation, language exchange partners, or even engaging with content in English on social media. Social connections help you apply what you've learned in real-life contexts, enhancing your language skills. Cultural connections. Making connections with the culture behind the language can greatly enhance your learning experience. This involves understanding idioms, jokes, historical references, and social norms. It makes the language learning process not just about words and grammar, but about understanding the people and their way of life. Making connections is crucial because it helps with memory retention, engagement, and practical application of the English language. It transforms passive learning into an active, immersive experience. By making connections, you're not just memorizing. You're integrating the new language into your thinking, making it a part of your daily life and interactions. 1. Relate new words to your life. Whenever you learn a new word or phrase, think of how it relates to your experiences or things you're familiar with. 2. Use language exchange. Engage with native speakers or fellow learners. This social interaction helps cement your language skills. 3. Immerse yourself in the culture. Watch English movies, listen to English music, read English books, and try to understand the cultural contexts behind the expressions you learn. 4. Practice reflective learning. After each learning session, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and how it connects to what you already know. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of making connections in language learning. Remember, making connections is about more than just understanding the language. It's about integrating it into your worldview, your experiences, and your social interactions. Keep practicing, stay curious, and always look for new connections in your journey of learning English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.